Bismillah, start the good and great name of Allah, who is the most merciful and most beneficent. So first of all, I introduce myself. My name is Muqaddas. I am studying in class 7. So today's my presentation topic is semi-modal. We call semi-modal that verbs that use both used in as main verb, and those are following is a main verb. Let's see now how they are used. Ability in all simple tense. Use not we use to talk about affirmative interrogative question where could I not use. Example, I am not able to drive a car. Were you able to do your homework? I was able to finish the project on time. Talk about your more abilities. Think of more abilities: fly, cook, sing, dance, swim, surf, skate and roller skate. When I was a baby, lack of ability in the past. What ability in the past? What else were you able to do at some age? Ability in the future. What else were you could say? What will be you able to do? Have to infinite. Obligation can be used in all simple tense instead of must. Example, I have to tidy my room this weekend. I had to go shopping with mom on Saturday. Have not have to infinitive show that something was unnecessary used in all simple tense. Example, mom, I don't have today in Saturday, today it's Sunday, I don't have go to school yesterday. Role play between employer and employee. And haven't you been a good employer and employee? You have boss and your boss is about fire. You use have to, not have to. Need, don't, does not, need to infinitive to show that something is unnecessary. Notice a main verb is followed by infinitive with a to. Example, I need to speak to Tom. But as a modal verb is followed by infinitive without a to and is not used had to in affirmative. Example, need she check this report? Yeah, you need come with me. Be careful. Example, need we buy more food? Yes we must. Or no you need not. Yes we need. Must I explain it again? Yes we must. No you need. Have to, not have. No you must. Don't need to infinitive to show that something was unnecessary and don't happen in the past. Example, she don't need to take a taxi because she had her own car. She don't take a taxi. Need have past participle to show that something was unnecessary the past but it happened. You needed have brought any bread? I have already bought some. She brought bread. Santa, it was necessary. How else could you say that? My presentation talk is complete. Thank you.